Have you ever wondered why you're going through what you're going through? Why the door's closed? Why it seems like everything is falling apart? Let me tell you something powerful today. Your setback is not the end. It's God's setup for something greater. Stay with me because by the end of this video, you'll begin to see your situation through God's divine lens. And you'll walk away with renewed faith and confidence in God's plan for your life. Understanding God's promise, Jeremiah 29 verse 11. Let's begin with the verse that has brought comfort to millions across the world. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you a future and a hope. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. The Israelites were in exile in Babylon. Broken, hopeless, feeling abandoned. But God speaks, I still have plans for you. God's plan isn't canceled by your mistake, delay, or detour. Your pain is not wasted. It's part of the preparation. Joseph from the pit to the palace. His brothers sold him. He was falsely accused, forgotten in prison. But in Genesis 50 verse 20 he says, You meant evil against me, but God meant it for good. Job lost everything, yet God restored double. His story reminds us that even in loss, God is still writing your future. Jesus, the cross was the ultimate setup. The greatest setup in history was disguised as the darkest day. But resurrection came. If you're in a setback, God is not done with you. He's just setting the stage for something bigger than you can imagine. 3 reasons why God allows setbacks. 1. Build your faith. You don't know how strong your faith is until it's tested. 2. To position you for promotion. Sometimes God closes doors because the next one leads to purpose. 3. To remove distractions. Setbacks strip away things that are not aligned with your destiny. Sometimes God breaks your plans before your plans break you. How to respond in a setback. You may not control what happens to you, but you can control your response. 1. Trust God daily, not just in the outcome but in the process. 2. Keep showing up in faith, even when you don't feel it. 3. Pray and listen. God still speaks in the silence. 4. Surround yourself with faith-filled people. You become what you hear. Romans 8 verse 28. All things work together for the good of those who love God. Your delay is not a denial. Your mess is not the end of your mission. What you're facing right now is just the setup for the miracle God already wrote into your story. So don't quit. Don't give up. God's not done with you. If this message has stirred your heart, share it with someone going through a tough season. Hit that like button to show your faith. Subscribe for more faith-filled encouragement, and comment below. I believe my setback is a setup from God. And don't forget to join my Telegram channel for daily prayers and spiritual motivation.